SevenGen provides occupational health and safety services, anywhere from automotive to healthcare, pharmaceutical, and food manufacturing. SevenGen operates in 3 different states. Our biggest challenge being spread out is communication. Communication's key in everyone's success. QuickBooks Online Advanced helps us with our financial progress. So working with our customers to get them set up to make sure we have appropriate billing, invoicing, accounts receivable, accounts payable. So everything that would go into the backside of our business to make sure that we run successfully, QuickBooks Online Advanced helps us to make that easy. Because we're spread out in multiple locations, we can have multiple users with QuickBooks Online Advanced. Custom user permissions helps us to identify who can use what within QuickBooks Online Advanced. Our administrative staff typically will focus on setting clients up within the system and then partnering with me to make sure that our accounts receivable stays in line to make sure we run a healthy business. As SevenGen continues to grow in each of our locations, we work within QuickBooks Online Advanced to make sure that we can track the necessary line items that help us to grow. The software is easy enough for us to use that we don't see ourselves outgrowing that anytime soon.